Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking your Ubuntu version and ensuring you have basic tools. Open a terminal. Once done, install Git and build essential so compilation or helper scripts work. Next, pick a live wallpaper solution. ComWhereby is native and lightweight. Wallpaper Engine runs through Proton if you prefer Steam support, and Desktop Nova offers multi-monitor routines. You do this now because the correct backend determines file formats and dependencies. Make sure to note which package manager commands you'll use. Once you have the tool chosen, grab its files. Git clone the repo or install from Steam/Flatpak. Then follow the project README step by step. Install any libraries, run build scripts, and create a systemd user service or auto-start desktop entry so the wallpaper persists at login. You should also prepare your wallpaper assets. Convert formats if needed and test playback. Doing this lets you resolve codec or permission issues early and ensures smooth startup behavior. Now enable the live wallpaper and verify it runs. Launch the app or enable the user service, then log out and back in to confirm persistence. If you see a black or frozen background, first check your compositor and GPU drivers because compositing conflicts are common. Restart the compositor or switch compositors if needed. Finally, inspect logs with journoctl for the service name or run the app in a terminal to capture errors. This helps you pinpoint missing codecs, permission denials, or environment variable issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.